Hey there, gearheads! Welcome to a journey where the past meets the future. Jay Leno here, and let's talk about the future of driving electric vehicles, or EVs for short. These aren't just a trend, they're a revolution in the making. We all love the roar of a classic engine, the feel of the wheel, and the thrill of the open road. But there's no denying that our planet needs a little help. The emissions from traditional vehicles are taking a toll on our environment. That's where EVs come in. These modern marvels are designed to be eco-friendly and efficient. They run on electricity, which means zero emissions while driving. These battery-powered beauties are all about reducing pollution and keeping our air clean. Imagine a world where the air is fresher, the skies are clearer, and the noise pollution is significantly reduced. Every time you plug in an EV instead of filling up with gas, you're making a difference. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for our planet. It's like giving Mother Nature a high five. You're contributing to a healthier environment for future generations. Plus, with fewer moving parts, EVs require less maintenance. No more worrying about oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. Think about it, no more oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and more time enjoying the drive. That's more time for cruising and less time in the shop. Imagine the freedom of the open road without the constant worry of mechanical issues. So, buckle up as we explore the exciting world of electric vehicles. From their sleek designs to their cutting-edge technology, there's so much to discover. Trust me, the future of driving is looking pretty electrifying. With advancements in battery technology and charging infrastructure, EVs are becoming more accessible and practical for everyone. So whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or just someone looking for a cleaner way to get around, the electric vehicle revolution is here to stay. Let's embrace it and drive towards a cleaner, greener future together. Now, some folks might say, Jay, I love the rumble of my V8, and I get it. But let's talk about why EVs are like the sleek, silent sports cars of the future. First off, EVs are incredibly efficient. They convert a much higher percentage of energy into actual movement compared to gas guzzlers. That means more miles per charge and less money spent on fuel. Second, EVs offer instant torque. That means lightning-fast acceleration off the line. Imagine leaving all those gas-powered cars in the dust. Third, EVs are incredibly quiet. You can say goodbye to noisy engines and hello to a peaceful, serene driving experience. It's like cruising in your own personal oasis. Okay, let's pop the hood and take a closer look at the heart of these electric marvels. What makes these electric machines tick? It's a combination of cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering. EV technology is advancing faster than a Tesla on autopilot. From the way they drive to the way they charge, everything is evolving at a breakneck pace. Take batteries, for instance. They're getting smaller, lighter, and more powerful. This means more energy storage in less space, which translates to longer driving ranges. We're talking about the ability to drive hundreds of miles on a single charge, and then recharge in a fraction of the time it used to take. Imagine road tripping in your EV without breaking a sweat. No more range anxiety, just pure driving pleasure. And then there's autonomous driving. Self-driving EVs are no longer science fiction. They're here, and they're becoming more sophisticated with each passing day. These vehicles can navigate complex urban environments, making your daily commute a breeze. Picture this. You're relaxing in your EV while it navigates traffic for you. You can catch up on emails, read a book, or just enjoy the ride. Now that's what I call luxury. The interiors of these vehicles are designed for comfort and convenience, making every journey a pleasure. And let's not forget about connectivity. Modern EVs are equipped with the latest technology to keep you connected on the go. EVs are like smartphones on wheels. They offer seamless integration with your devices, allowing you to access apps, music, and navigation with ease. They're constantly connected to the internet, providing real-time traffic updates, remote diagnostics, and even over-the-air software updates. This means your vehicle is always up to date with the latest features and improvements. The future of EV tech is incredibly exciting. We're looking at wireless charging, advanced AI systems, and even more sustainable materials. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an eco-warrior, or just someone who loves a smooth ride, there's something in the world of EVs for you. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the latest and greatest in electric vehicle technology. Here's the exciting part. EVs aren't just a futuristic fantasy. They're a present-day reality, transforming the way we think about transportation. They're here, and they're gaining popularity faster than a hot rod at a drag race. The streets are buzzing with the quiet hum of electric motors. More and more Americans are choosing EVs, and for good reason. It's not just a trend, it's a movement towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. They're realizing that EVs are not just good for the environment but also for their wallets and their driving experience. Lower maintenance costs, tax incentives, and the joy of a smooth, quiet ride are just a few of the perks. From coast to coast, charging stations are popping up like daisies. No matter where you are, urban or rural, finding a place to charge your EV is becoming increasingly convenient. Finding a place to juice up your EV is becoming easier than ever. Apps and maps now show you the nearest charging stations, making long trips worry-free. It's like having a gas station on every corner. The infrastructure is growing rapidly, ensuring that you're never far from a charge. And with more EV models hitting the market every year, there's an electric car for everyone. From compact city cars to luxurious sedans, the variety is astounding. Whether you're looking for a sleek sedan, a spacious SUV, or a rugged pickup truck, the options are expanding. Or a rugged pickup truck, there's an EV out there with your name on it. The versatility of electric vehicles means there's something for every lifestyle and need. Imagine driving through rugged terrains in a powerful electric pickup, or cruising the city streets in a stylish electric sedan. The future of driving is electric, and it's happening now. Now let's talk about how the government is putting its money where its mouth is. They're offering some sweet incentives to make switching to EVs even more appealing. We're talking tax credits, rebates, and other perks that can save you a bundle when you buy an EV. It's like getting a discount on the future. Plus, many states are investing in EV infrastructure like charging stations and dedicated EV lanes. They're making it easier and more convenient than ever to drive electric. So what does the future hold for EVs? Hold on tight, because things are about to get really interesting. By 2025, experts predict that EVs will be everywhere. We're talking millions of electric cars on the road, all humming along quietly and efficiently. Battery technology will continue to improve, giving us even longer ranges and faster charging times. Imagine driving from Los Angeles to New York City on a single charge. And who knows what other amazing EV innovations are just around the corner. Maybe we'll have flying electric cars or self-charging EVs that never need to be plugged in. Well folks, there you have it. The future of driving is electric, and it's looking brighter than a chrome bumper on a sunny day. EVs are cleaner, more efficient, and more fun to drive than ever before. With government support and advancements in technology, there's never been a better time to make the switch. So, what are you waiting for? Join the EV revolution and experience the future of driving today. Remember, the only thing better than the roar of a classic engine is the sound of silence as you cruise into a cleaner, greener future.